3M stuff now. Ah. Just leave it up like that. It's so cool.
Art.
Now we can sell on the marketplace for twice as much.
Yeah.
New Art Deco. Come on, baby.
Here we go, Galaxy.
Here we go. Ah.
Oh gosh.
Got it.
Look at how they 3M'd it. Wow. They did not want that to come off.
I am impressed. Just that held that mirror up.
Golly.
That's been heavy.
Yeah. All right.
Yep.
I'm good.
Do not touch that, Rosie.
So this is where we are with the kitchen. Would you believe that this is not real wood? It's more like a giant sticker. It's called contact paper, and I think it's amazing. We spent a lot of time cutting it over the weekend and getting the edging just right. And there's a few spots where it kind of layers kind of weird, but you really wouldn't notice it unless you take a really close look. But really happy with that. Again, I need to do another coat or two on the paint, but this is really exciting. I love how that looks. And so today I'm working on the tile and I'm liking it. This has kind of like the marble has like a purple undertone, so I was a little unsure about that, but I think it'll come together nicely. We're kind of going for like a boho theme here. And then over here is kind of a weird spot, so we're gonna put a little like a little wood piece here to separate the two colors, and then another wood piece frame up along to frame the fridge. So yeah, here we go. Let's finish tiling this kitchen. are finishing up with the tile. I'm very excited about this. It was very time consuming to cut it apart and piece it together because they come in square sheets like that. But I think I did the best I could with what I had. This was a pain in the butt, but I know there's going to be a cover over it. Might need to put like a little piece here. I don't know, we'll see. I'm unsure about how to kind of finish off this side. I want it to line up with the end of the counter, but we'll see how much I have left. Okay, so we just put a little corner piece on here, and I think I like that. I think that looks clean. So we'll do the same thing up there and finish it off. All right, it's getting kind of tricky here now. But I got a lot of pieces. Luckily I had just enough to make this work. So let's see. I'm probably gonna have to start cutting out individual little hexagons and kind of piecing them in there to make it fit right. All right, we did it. Doesn't look too messy if you don't zoom in. That took a really long time. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go have lunch. Whew. Wow, thick piece of wood.
I'll get it today.
Okay.
I'll get it today. Golly, that's seriously $20 for that tiny piece. That's
Crazy.
insane.